It's that time of the year again, going back to school. My school is about an hour drive away from where I live, and I have to wake up early to prepare so I can make it to my 9 a.m. data structures and algorithm class. Welcome to another day in my life.
Bro, what?
So, upon checking my devices this morning, I figured they were running low on battery because I fell asleep while using them last night just to prepare for today, and because of that, I had to juice them up while I get ready for the day. So after rushing through my morning routine, I hopped on my university's website just to make sure I know where my classes are located. And then I added it to my schedule on Google Calendar, and after that, I checked my to-dos on Notion just to make sure I plan my day properly. Next, I made sure I had my tech gears ready, which are my MacBook, iPad, camera batteries, cables, as well as my laptop charger. I also ate breakfast, which I didn't film, and then did my bed just in case I want to crash when I get back. Yo, what's going on, guys? So it's currently 7:35 right now. This is the first day of school. We're doing a day in the life with my MacBook Pro, which I got like 3 years ago, just to see how it runs. I'm going to be doing some installing because if you guys don't know, I'm a computer science major, so I'm going to be using the laptop a lot. So I'm going to be installing like Xcode and I think some other programs just to make sure I'm able to do all my programming homeworks or programming projects and stuff like that. I'm basically just warming my car up. I'm supposed to be at school before 9:30, so my plan is to be at school by 8:30 and just browse through the campus and see like how things are over there, because this is going to be my first semester over there. Because if you guys don't know, I actually transferred from a community college, so I finished my first 2 years. I graduated with an associate's degree, and I'm currently trying to pursue a bachelor's degree in computer science. So yeah. Alright gang, so I finally found the parking over there. I don't know, it's gonna be a hell of a day for me today because yeah. But first things first, I'm gonna go look for my class. It's a good thing I came early, so yeah. So I got to my class at around 9 a.m. and my MacBook's battery was at 66%, but my class actually starts at 9:30, so I checked my school emails for homework announcements and also looked at my course syllabus just to have a feel of what we're dealing with this semester. Yo, that was crazy, bro. Professor hit us with a quiz at the end of the class. It's literally the first day, but I'm trying to look for a place right now because this campus is huge. Like, this is just one section of the entire campus. This campus is huge. I'm gonna go look for a place where I could just sit down and see if there's anything else I need to do, because yeah, it looks like we're gonna be working a lot. So I eventually linked up with a friend who then introduced me to another friend, and we just chilled and worked on our coding environments for the semester. Because it's been a while since we last met, we were just catching up and it was all vibes until he needed to go to his apartment, which was close to campus, just to check on his dog. So I know I'm supposed to be making video about my MacBook, but I ended up coming to my friend's apartment. You know what I'm saying? So what's up to my friend, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. My boy out here. Look at that bad boy. God damn. Little Casey. I don't want your dog to jump on me though. Oh hell no! Alright, my boy got the little, you know what I'm saying? Got the little thing going on, you know what I'm saying? This is dope, I'm not even gonna lie. Very exciting dog. I'm not a dog person, but yeah, hell no. Alright, that dog is so excited to see his owner, bro. Alright, ooh, that was close, bro. Alright, y'all, we're about to see what the DOMs look like out here, you know what I'm saying? So honestly, bro, I'm supposed to be making a tech video, but it looks like I'm just like talking to you guys, you feel me? But it depends on when I'm editing the video. If I'm feeling the vibe, like, then I'll name it whatever I want to name it. But yeah. So yeah, I wanted to check out the dorms look like, so I asked my friend if I could see how his room looked like, just to get a feel of how living on campus is. Bro, this is tight. I'm not even gonna lie. Wait, it's only you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is dope. Bro, I thought it was like 2 people, bro.
The thing is, you share bathroom.
Wait, this is the only light you get?
Yeah. The brightness of this shit.
Oh yeah.
But yeah.
Bro, what the flip was that, bro? Oh, this.
Air Forces.
You wanna see what you did? Nah, it's the Air Force. It's the Air Force. Bruh. Down.
Boss man.
You know what I'm saying? It says let him cook. Let him cook. Let my boy cook. Okay, my boy cooking. Okay. Oh! Alright, bro. Okay, let's rate his setup. Just cause we caught him off guard, I'm gonna be honest. You know what I'm saying? Not gonna lie. For Windows laptop, I'm not a Windows fan if you guys have been watching my channel, but this laptop, fire. Let's ask him, okay, Core i7, alright.
Let me get RTX 3070.
Okay, 3070, okay. The GPU, 8 gigabytes of RAM, damn.
16, no, the GPU is 8 gigabytes of RAM.
Oh, the GPU is 8 gigabytes.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. How many, what's the
16.
16 gigabytes.
Yeah.
You know, my boy is not lacking. He's not lacking. He's not lacking. It's not lacking. Alright, cool.
Let me cook.
Cool. What language is it cooking in? Python, you know what I'm saying? Cooking in Python. You know what I'm saying? It's looking so futuristic. It looks like Mark Zuckerberg Jr. Black Mark Zuckerberg, you know what I'm saying? Cause the setup is not organized, but based on the spec, I'll give him a solid. Okay, wait, let's see. The monitor is decent. I think it's better than mine. Y'all tell me. I think mine is, I have 160 hertz and 125. How many hertz is this?
I mean, this can overclock to 170.
170. Okay, so better than mine. 8.5. 8.5. So after seeing how the dorms look like and roasting each other for a minute, we headed back to school to continue our work. We found an empty classroom to chill and study, and I was having trouble in setting up the coding environment that the school uses, so I had to ask my friends how, because unlike me, they've been in this school for more than a semester. How did you guys do this UNI system? I got connected to the, what is it? Toy driver? Yeah. So apparently, before you turn in assignments, you have to run your code on a virtual machine. It took me some time to set up the virtual machine, but with the help of my friend, I was able to get done with it. So after getting most of the setup done, my friends had another class. That was funny as hell, bro. Me, on the other hand, was actually done for the day because my other classes are online and I only have to show up just once in a week. Next up, I headed to the gym because the gym at my school is free, so why not? So yeah, I didn't actually work out, I just played basketball, which made me very tired, so I just went back home. And by the way, I haven't eaten all day, so after putting all my things away, you know I had to get something to eat. So during the semester, the last thing I want to worry about is food, so I usually meal prep, and typically my meal is usually rice, beans and chicken with salad on the side. So as I munched my meal, I went back to my desk to install another virtual machine for my Unix networking class. So a virtual machine is basically like another computer system that you install on your current computer system, if that makes sense. So you're gonna have one physical system that's gonna have 2 computer systems. I feel like I'm saying systems a lot, but like the virtual machine is gonna have its own CPU. Like it's just like having 2 operating systems in one physical computer, if that makes sense. And that's it for my back to school day in the live video, guys. If you guys are feeling this video, make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I know I really didn't talk much about tech on this video, but it's all good. I have more tech coming up because it's Techtember and I'm really investing on getting the latest tech, so make sure you guys stay tuned. We're gonna be dropping bangers from here on out.